Okay, everyone, so in this section, or these sections, we're going to learn how to do some different forms of retouching. And we're going to start off with this kid right here, the clone tool option. And you'll notice she is missing one of her teeth. Now there's a couple of different ways we could do this. We could just copy and paste, but I want us to use a tool that's just a little bit more specialized in this, and that's the stamp tool. There's the pattern and the clone stamp. We'll be using that. You can see you can always do this by pressing S. Now, if we go and try to use this immediately we click, we'll get this warning that basically says that we need to hold down Option and click to define a source. So if you think about copying and pasting, you need to know what you're copying before you paste it. It's sort of the same thing here. But to do it, we would hold down the Option key on the Mac or the Alt key on a PC. So if we hold down the Option, you can see it changes from that circle to this kind of target. And wherever we click, right in the center of that target, when we click, you'll see we get, and let me just make this a little bit larger, kind of a shadow of that. So I'm going to zoom in just a little bit more. And when you choose your the space where you want to copy from, always choose some place that's going to make sense. If we chose in the middle of the tooth here, we really wouldn't know where to start. So here I want to simulate where the gum is. So that would be right about there. And once again, I'm just going to shrink this down a little bit. Clone tool uses the same thing. You can see as I move this, that crosshatch shows me what I'm copying. So I can kind of see and get an idea of what I'm cloning over here. And we'll just come in just a little bit more so we can get that. And there you see, if I zoom out, completely nice dental work. Of course, you can always do other stuff like this. If I wanted to, I could hold down the Option key and with kind of a soft brush we have here, I could even possibly bring in an eyeball. But that's completely up to you. In the next section, we'll talk about how to heal or get rid of some things that you might not want in your picture.